Before joining La Trobe, I searched so many universities in Australia, specifically in Sydney. And about La Trobe, I heard some good reviews from my fellow Pakistani students. Everything is closer, Opera House is closer, every like kind of there's a park next to it. It has the best location in the city, and it has a very beautiful campus. The subject called industry project, it allows you to work in the industry while you are studying. This subject gives you a chance to use your knowledge in the industry. You can use that experience on your LinkedIn. It will be on your portfolio, and it's good for you for your future. You're getting experience before finishing your degree, so I would recommend it. La Trobe Sydney has offered me the best education environment because you get better attention, and there are so many communities and clubs, and every time there is some kind of events going on, and they care about your culture, they care about your studies, they care about what if you're an IT student, account students, or anything else you're studying, you have a relationship with your lecturers here. So they care about you, they care about your grades, they care about what you want to do in your future, and they motivate you to do the best. All the lecturers in La Trobe Sydney, they go an extra mile for their students. I did very well in my diploma, and the next year I got my La Trobe Excellence Academic Scholarship. This scholarship has motivated me to do my very best in the next years as well. La Trobe motivates their hardworking students by giving them scholarship and offering them some extra help whenever they need it. If you want to be like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, you have to think out of the box. Get your aims high, develop your aims, and then make small benchmarks and try to complete these milestones one by one. So always try to learn something new, and try not to find your passion but develop your passion. Yeah, that's it.